Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my hair, how I curl my hair. I'm going to show you guys literally from the process, like from once my hair is dry up into this. I literally just have like kind of like loose like waves. So yeah, if you guys just want to see how I get my hair like this, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to begin. As you can see, this is my completely natural hair. This is what my hair looks like once it's fully dried. It's just super thick, and I just don't wear my hair natural like this because it just feels like hard to control. So that's why I straighten and curl it. So I'm gonna show you guys what that process is like. I do have quite a lot of hair, so this does take me roughly around 40 minutes, which is fine, only because, you know, when I'm doing my hair I end up like watching YouTube or like, I don't know, some TV shows. Just quickly start off by letting you know some of the products I use. So I do use the Tresemme Heat Tamer spray. I've been using this for years, literally. I just have never switched out of this. But definitely always protect your hair. It does cause a lot of damage, like all this heat, especially if you do it like every day. I personally will wash my hair like every 3 to 4 days. I use dry shampoo obviously like throughout the week, but for the most part I only do my hair like once to twice a week. That's when I'm like actually applying like heat. So next, for the curling, for the straightener that I use just a regular Conair. The highest setting for this is 410. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna do 374 because I don't want it that hot right now. Yeah, so what I do basically is I section off my hair. So from where I want my parting to be, I do like a middle part, but like kind of more leaning towards this side. I'm gonna straighten this, like my roots, and then I will curl my hair. Don't mind my cat, he's crying outside. I do like half of my hair first and then leave the other side. Straightening my hair, but I am gonna like speed up this process obviously because I don't want you guys to die of boredom. But you guys could obviously tell what I'm doing. I just grab like a little strand and then I just start straightening that out. Questions all the time of like what my haircut is. To be honest with you guys, I only do like long layers to my hair. But I always need layers because I can't have my hair like all one length. I'll always like need at least like one layer. To me, like this is the longest layer. Like it goes right there. Finished like half of this side. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. We're gonna move on to the back. Look at this mess back here, you guys. Oh, and also a fun fact, I don't know if this is like good or not, but I honestly never comb my hair. Like I never brush my hair out. I literally just like comb through it with my fingers. That might be why my hair falls out so much, because of all the tangles that I'm not like brushing out. I did change my shirt, you guys, to give you guys a better look since my hair is so dark. Once my hair is like, you know, straight and under control, for my curler I also use I'm pretty sure this is Conair. I use a Conair. For the barrel that I use, you guys, I use 1.5 inch. So I used the one with the clamp, but I mostly wrap my hair around like the barrel. And again, I use it at the highest setting just because my hair is really thick and I'm like already used to doing this. I like to wrap the curler and go outward. So I'll show you guys. So I take it, I wrap it around the curler like this, and then I clamp it. I wait maybe like 5 seconds per strand, and then I'll let it go. Okay, there it is. So this is what you get, like a little like loose twirly curl. I'm gonna do this part by my face. Obviously everything that's like around your face curl outward as well. Don't worry, I let it just sit there before I really touch it, cause it's not till like the end that I really like brush my fingers through it. So if you alternate your curls, they're not gonna stick together, versus if you did like curl them all one direction, they'll stick. So once I've finished that side, I'm gonna try to zoom you guys out a little bit more. This is what my hair looks like. I'm just gonna quickly spray this side. I always try not to like overdo it with the hairspray, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys quickly. This is just how like I get like the loose waves. The reason why I feel like it like looks volumized up here is because of the layer that I have up here. And I'm just gonna give you guys a quick look on the back. I normally just do my hair like this like once, and then like, you know, up until the time that like, you know, I wash my hair again, I'll do this process all over again, so it's not damaging to my hair. I feel like honestly that's why my hair is as long as it is, because I literally only use heat on it like once to twice a week. I just wanted to film this for you guys because I always get requests on just like questions about like how I curl my hair and like what like haircut I usually like ask for. But I've been recently thinking about dyeing my hair, and if that's something you guys would want to see, because I think it would be kind of cool. I've never really dyed my hair, so I might film that if it happens. This is just what I do. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I want to definitely post more for you guys, so let me know down below what you guys would want to see from me. I think that's all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.